Hi, this is Carrie with Trauma Services. Fentanyl is a dangerous drug, and the use of it has become a widespread problem at hotels and rental properties throughout New England. Whether paraphernalia is left behind or an actual overdose takes place, the after effects of cleaning up and handling this material is hazardous to those who encounter it. Do not put your employees in a position to be exposed. As a property management professional, here are 3 steps you should take when dealing with a suspected fentanyl scene. Don't touch anything. Do not touch or move anything that may have open powder or crushed pills on it without wearing gloves, eye protection, and an N95 mask. Fentanyl is most dangerous when it becomes airborne, as it can float into your eyes or into your mouth or nose very easily. Proper disposal is required. Do not dispose of any drugs or paraphernalia in the regular trash. You can easily expose somebody else if it is not disposed of properly. Call professionals. Call a professional company in to clean the area where there was suspected or known drug use. If a maintenance person or cleaning person handles it on their own without the right personal protective equipment, training, cleaning supplies, and disposal method, you can potentially expose the employee or the next person that will be staying on their property. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. With highly trained technicians and top-of-the-line cleaning supplies, Trauma Services will respond 24/7 to remediate and dispose of any type of situation involving drugs and biologicals at your property. Click the link below for more information.